Welcome to How To with this dude. I'm going to be replacing the throttle sensor, accelerator sensor on a 2013 Chevy Tahoe. It's pretty much the same thing as what you'll find on the 2007s, the 2014s, also a lot of the other GM products, such as their trucks and whatnot, and SUVs. This is the part number that I picked up to replace on this one. Your sensor is going to come as the entire gas pedal. We'll go over how that goes on there. I'll also show you what your dash will read when this goes out when you get into low power mode. This is what your dash is going to look like when you go to low power mode. You're going to feel it in your accelerator where you're going to feel that lack of power. To get you where you can at least get where you have some power back, you turn off your vehicle, open your door and shut it, and then if you watch your needles on your tachometer and your speedometer, you'll see them drop a little below zero. After about 2 or 3 minutes, you'll notice that they drop below zero. Restart your vehicle, and the only light that will still be on will be your engine light. This will give you back normal power, so hopefully you can get to a parts store or at least get somewhere where you can read the code so you can figure out what's causing that to happen, which could be an O2 sensor, or in this case, the accelerator sensor. Here's the tools you're going to need from right to left. I have a 10mm socket or 10mm wrench, whichever you'd like to use to take off your negative battery terminal. Then I have an extension with my driver, and a Torx head is what you're going to need. This one is a 144. First thing you'll want to do is disconnect your negative battery terminal. This also help reset everything once you get that new sensor in, so hopefully it'll clear your light that you have on. To take off the sensor that you have in the pedal, you're going to take off this wiring harness, and you have this bolt here, and then above you see where your other one is that you'll have to reach. The harness is pretty simple. This first part you'll pull out and squeeze and pull, and you've got that taken out. Now I'm going to get the socket, and I'll start taking out these two and pulling off the pedal. Alright, I have the assembly off now. You can see where it goes. I'm going to take the new one and place it up here, and I'm going to put it on in the opposite way if I took it off, was starting with the bolts. I'll start that one to hold it up, and I'll put the one on top, and then I'll put the wiring harness back on. Okay, we have our 2 screws in, and now we're going to put our wiring harness back on. It just slides right back over. Now we take our clip, and we slide our clip in. And that's installed. Now we're going to put our negative battery cable back on. Now you can start your vehicle. Engine light went off, and you're out of low power mode. Your accelerator works. Thanks for watching. Clean up your mess, clean your tools, and see you the next time I fix something else.